Samsung Galaxy A90 is expected to launch in India in February 2020. If sources are to be believed, the smartphone will be the first Samsung mobile with an infinity display and a wireless charging feature. The flagship device is loaded with numerous top-notch features to deliver a smooth mobile user experience. It has a great configuration, perfect camera, and a good battery backup. Also, there will be a fingerprint sensor in the phone to ensure its security. Samsung Galaxy A90 price in India. Samsung Galaxy A90 price in India is rumored to be around Rs. 50,990 for the device variant having 6GB RAM and 128GB internal storage. Furthermore, the smartphone will be available in two stunning colors, i.e. black and gold. Samsung Galaxy A90 specifications, display and design. The smartphone flaunts a 6.41 (16.28 cm) Super AMOLED bezel-less display with a screen resolution of 1080 by 2340 pixels. Its display is secured from minor scratches with Corning Gorilla Glass protection and provides an edge-to-edge viewing experience. Galaxy A90 has a capacitive touchscreen that supports multi-touch and a pixel density of 402 ppi. It functions on Android v9.0 Pie operating system and driven by octa-core 2.2 GHz dual-core Cryo 360 plus 1.7 GHz hexa-core Cryo 360 processor. The device has a RAM of 6 GB that provides lag-free, smooth and speedy performance. Samsung Galaxy A90 camera. Today, smartphone camera has become an integral ingredient of a smartphone. Mobile users are much more inclined to phone with a good quality camera. Samsung Galaxy A90 comes with an excellent camera combination. There is the dual rear set of 12MP plus 12MP that can capture stunning pictures with a resolution of 4000 by 3000 pixels. There is exposure compensation, ISO control, digital zoom, face detection, touch to focus and auto LED flash. For those who relish selfies more would be delighted to know that the smartphone comes with an amazing selfie camera as well. At the front, there is a 24MP lens with which you can click admirable selfies and flood your social media feeds. Apart from these, the camera is packed with continuous shooting and high dynamic range (HDR) shooting modes. Undoubtedly, the yet-to-be-launched Galaxy A90 will be a powerhouse in the camera department. Storage and battery. To keep the device running for a long time, Galaxy A90 comes with a non-replaceable Li polymer battery that can hold charging for longer hours. For storage purpose, there is an onboard storage of 128 GB that can further be expanded up to 512 GB. Such an internal memory space is sufficient to hold all your data, photos, videos, apps, games, etc. efficiently without any space crunches. Samsung Galaxy A90 price. Samsung Galaxy A90 smartphone price is likely to be $710.88, 50,990 rupees. Samsung Galaxy A90 is rumored to be launched in the country on February 28, 2020, unofficial. For more updates, subscribe and share this video.